Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Okay, today we are going to be discuss about the update set movement. If you remember initially when we started this class, I told you that we in the IT industry we have majorly three instances available with us. Okay, one is dev, then test, and then finally let's go for the production. Okay, and we create update set to capture our configuration, customization, our logics in one of the containers that is called the update set. So today we are going to take example. Let's say example that I want to move my configuration or the customization into Tanvi instance. So this is my production instance and my personal instance is basically you can call as a dev instance. Okay, so it has a complete process. It doesn't mean that okay sir, take the code from here, keep it there. No, it is not like that, because it required a lot of thinking in the background as well, that how it can be taken care. Let me open the notepad for a minute. You guys remember the example of this thing, what I can say, transfer map, Bluetooth and mobile and laptop connection, right? So let's take example. This is Atul's PDI. Okay, and this is this PDI. Now I want to move my configuration into this particular PDI. First of all, what I need a connection between these guys. Then I need to test the connection. I need to get the changes from changes. In the transform map, we did not say yes transform. We say check and then transform. Load the data. You can verify your data and then you transform your data. Review the changes. And fifth is the changes. These are the 5 steps which we will follow today to bring my changes into Tanvi's PDI. First of all, connection between these two PDI. In the meantime, my PDI will start. Let me, okay, it's be working. Let's go here. Go here and search for the remote. Not here. Let's go for the update set. Okay, click on the retrieve update set. What is saying? Update set that have been pulled from the another ServiceNow instance. Click here. We need to build a connection. When I say we need to build a connection, Tanvi did not give me the admin rights. I'm not getting the admin button here. New button here.
So I gave you admin rights. Check.
No, I cannot.
Wait.
Check. Let's see. Or maybe some other rules are be missing sometime. I have admin rights, but still I'm not able to do that part. Why? Sorry, update sources. Sorry. No. You're right. It's my mistake. Okay. What I'll do, I'll go and remote instance means I am updating or I am making the connection here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll click here, new. Now you want to link your laptop with my laptop. So you need the authentication as well. Let's put a name here. LearnGo PDI. Type means it is you are bringing from development environment, production or test. I say I'm bringing from the development environment. Okay. What is the URL you are bringing? Then I'll put don't worry, I'll just mention this thing. What is the username I need to go to connect with that? I'll put username. Are you understanding this point? It is basically building a connection with the proper authentication I'm giving it. If you put the wrong password, it will not work. First we'll put the right password. Any short description you want to put, otherwise click save. Now let's test the connection. Connection is okay. Now let me change the password and save. See, authentication to remote instance field. It means this username password is not correct. Let me correct it. Now you can test. Clear till this point? Anyone has any doubt, any question? Who else in the call today? Everybody is there. Okay, good. Nikhil is not there.
Atul?
Yes, Vinoj.
Okay, so we are going to create the updates. This instance setting, like in the environment where we actually need to pull the update.
Yes.
Suppose
We're
if I
doing
want to put my dev to prod, so
right.
I'll create this in prod.
Exactly right. Okay, so this is the first and second step we're done. Okay, third step, I need to get the changes from Atul to Tanvi PDI. But before that, let me go to Atul's PDI here. Because when I say to bring the data, bring the configuration. So what I need 3.1 and all this activity need to be done in the Atul's PDI. Number one, check your update set. Number two, use your update set. Okay. Now let's go here and let me log in. And I'll be going here. Search for the update set. Local update set. And here I will open my update set. Learn and grow के नाम से, right? This is my update set. The first point I say, check your update set. Open this. And see what changes there be in this particular update set. Scroll down and you can see here 710 changes are there till now. How many are child update set? These are your update sets, everyone. Vishwajit, Tanvi, Rahul, this all are there. Okay, now the thing is that this is my parent update set. If I want to move this update set, let me show you this example. Let's go here and click on the retrieve completed update set. Simply it's saying means it will bring only those update set which are in the complete state. Let me open it. Let me click on this. Okay, what it's saying, zero update set retrieve, because there is a no update set in my instance which has been complete. Getting this point? Let me close this. Okay, so nothing is be there now, but definitely logs will be generated. What logs? Zero update set, loading remote update set Rahul, update set Rahul. What Rahul is, Rahul update set is complete or what? Or Rahul have two update set with the same name? Yes, see, this is completed only, and it is be showing to me here. So being a developer, never ever did a mistake until unless you are sure that on the requirement you are working, it has been fully developed. Don't close your update set. I'm not sure that Rahul, why Rahul did it. It's fine. He did it. Did. That's fine. Not an issue for me. Now what we'll do? I'll go here because this is the parent and these are the child. Yes. Any question here?
But Atul, like, no, is there no way to get a specific update, or so like whenever we run retrieve update, so it will take all the complete updates?
It will, yes, it will take all the complete update set. That is, we have a point here. Review the changes. Which update set you want to commit? Suppose let's say example, Vinuj. In marriages, the person who is the host, he put a lot of items in the food, snacks. Okay, do you eat all the items? Definitely no. Or yes?
No.
No. Why? Because you go there, you see which item is there. If you like, you will take 1, 2, 3 times. If you don't like, you will not pick that particular item. It means you are bringing the host says to their caterer, please put all the items. It is up to the guest what they want to eat. So same thing is happen here. That is the thing, Vinuj, I told. If you close any update set, it will become in the retrieving part as well. Now you cannot send it back. It is there. Now it is up to you. Do you want to commit or not? That is totally up to you. You have a food item now. Do you want to eat or not? Totally up to you. If you want to eat, eat. If you don't want to eat, don't eat. That's not a problem for me. Okay. Clear your point, Vinush?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we'll do, and another point, if you notice, Rahul is the child update set, not the parent. If it is a parent, it will not retrieve properly. Now what we'll do, we will close all these updates set. Not sure I can do it from here or not. It's not allowing me to do it from here. Okay, let's try this thing. Let me close my update set. See, now what will happen as soon as I click on the update, this update set move to the complete and a global or the default update set will be created automatically. Complete. This will complete all the updates set in the batch. It means it will complete the child as well. Okay, no problem. I want that. Click yes. And let it be complete here. And click save. Sorry, we didn't click on the save. See, number 1 change by you, and this is the 1 change. Second change, everything has been marked completed here. Clear till this point? Any doubt, any question? Anyone?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now let's go this side. And now click on the retrieve. And now you will see the changes. See, retrieving update set, updated now only. Learn PDA on this, and now you can see. What is these things? These. What is this? Anyone has any idea? This. What is this? Tell me, what is this, guys?
These are the
item.
sys IDs for
SysID.
For which? A record.
no for all the update sets.
Yes. These are the sys ID for the update set, not for the record or anything else. It will take time now because we have 710 changes in my update set, and your update sets also have few changes. Let it be load. Oh, it's done. Good, good, good. So now you can see retrieving, running the child one. Auto preview. Now imagine you are in the, I'm not sure that when people watch these recordings, they laugh or what they think about my examples. But if you understand that, that is good for me. So now you can see you are invited, you are in the marriage hall, and these are the items in front of you now. Let it be this thing. Oh, Aishwarya, you is giving some problem. Okay, no problem. No, no, that's fine. Again, Dhanashi, again problem. Okay, 3 errors, 9 errors, 12 errors, 34 errors, 124 errors. My goodness, in my one. Okay, that's one expected one. No problem. Anyone has any idea why these errors are there?
It seems because their update sets are not completed.
No, we completed, right? Who said it's not completed?
No, the child one.
Child one is also completed. Because if child is not completed, we should not move it. You can see here. See, all childs are completed here. See, all are completed here. Think. All done now. Let's say 100% yes. Tell me, guys, why these errors are there? Aishwarya, Dhanashi, Harsha, even in my as well, 124 errors. My goodness. I'm sure tomorrow you will say, sir, we're not coming in your class. You itself having a lot of errors more than us. You're not a good teacher. But tell me why these errors are there. Tell me, think. Why you're not thinking, guys?
The assignments which we have done are not working properly in
No.
our instance.
No.
So that is
No. Till now, you did not commit any changes. Till now, you are invited in the marriage. You did not taste it. Or I can say, okay, you start tasting it. You say it's good, it's bad, it's good, it's bad. But when I say you tasted, it means you committed that part. But before that, I'm before that only. Yes, anyone else is giving some answer? Yes. Vishwajit, what do you think? Why these errors are there? And don't be feel ashamed here. It is very common practice, guys. Yes, Aishwarya, why these are the errors here? Arun, why these errors?
I'm not sure, even I'm not finding my name over there, so not sure. I'm thinking like
No,
what happened.
That no. Don't okay. Don't think that there's something wrong in your code. No, that is not the case. That is not the case. Arun, tell me why these errors are there.
Some issues on validation, like On
No,
merging,
no.
Uh,
Merging for what?
merging the
Yes, Aishwarya, go ahead.
on merging the records,
What records?
all the records that have been created in the updated, each
Where?
of the catalog.
Where? Where? In my PDA or in Tanvi's PDA?
Maybe in the new instance.
But in the new instance, we did not create anything till now. Okay.
We don't have those tables. I mean those records.
Then,
It's yet to create.
Aishwarya, that is the purpose we're doing. We're bringing those
Yeah,
tables from my
sorry.
instance to this instance.
Yes.
Yes, Arun.
Is it because I mean these PDIs, they are not hibernating? They are sleeping.
No.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, and everyone needs to be the. Yes, Prashant, please go ahead.
Plugin errors in Tanvi instance.
Okay, I hold your answer for some time, Prashant. Okay. Let's take example. You all guys are in a same city. Okay, in a same place. You all guys are living together. Okay. I invited you at my home. Not my home. I invited you in one of the banquet hall for my son's birthday. Okay. In that banquet hall, 5 different parties are going on, and all are the birthdays only. In practical life, is this case happened with anyone? You are invited for a marriage. Somehow, you entered in a wrong marriage. It happened with anyone? It happened with anyone? Tell me. At least it happened with me at least once. एक बार तो हुआ मेरे साथ. अरे yes या no ही बोल दो, no problem.
No, Atul.
No, good. So this example says that you entered in a wrong party. Okay, where you are not invited. How you come to know that you are not invited in that party? Because you are not seeing your favorite faces or your known faces. I can say not the favorite, your known faces. But the person who invited me is not there. I'm in the right place or in the wrong place. Let's take example. There is a banquet hall in Maharashtra, in Pune. Sathe Patil Banquet Hall in Vishrantwadi. There are 2 banquet halls with the same name. You entered in the wrong place. How you come to know? Hey, Atul invited me, but I'm not able to see Atul or their family. Am I in the right place or not? So the point which taken by Prashant is very, very, very valid point. Plugin is one of the main reason that I am bringing some changes. Okay, but to support that changes, the requested plugin is not available. That is the number 1 reason. Second reason, my instance is a ROM, maybe patch 1 or patch 2, but Tanvi instance can be only just ROM, no patch installed till now. So this is the incompatibility can be there. And that is the reason that these changes fail. Okay. Another point. Suppose there is a one table in which Aishwarya makes some changes. On the same table, Dhanashri also makes some changes on the same field. And those things having or does not exist or already having conflict in my target instance. So these are the 3 or 4 reasons which indicates that why there is an error. And believe me, if you're getting error, you're a good developer. Okay. Now question come, Atul, what to do next? It is something like you call to the transport guy and say, okay, please shift my my luggage from one place to other place. And you reach to the other place and you find this is not my house in the next building, and there's no transport person now because he put down the luggage and he go. Now what to do? You have to do it manually now. Now let what's to do? Make it as a close here. My God, 2,324 changes were done in my PDA. Now let's go here. These all are the changes. So these all are the update set. We bring it from the my instance. This in the preview state. This one. It should be preview, not review. Okay. These are in the previous state. Food items in front of you. Now go to the particular counter and see what is this. Let's open this one. Aishwarya batch 4. And now scroll down. After committing this update set, see till now you are invited in the party. You are able to see the counter, but you did not taste anything. Once you taste, once you eat, you can take mark in your mind. Okay, this has been eaten. Now go here. Update set preview problem, that how many issues or the errors we have in the update set. Custom update, which she bring from my instance to Tanvi instance, and these are the things which does not exist. These are the newly one which we created in my instance. It says total 61 record inserted and 1 record deleted. Maybe she done some changes in her update set. Now the mudda or the point is that what to do with these errors, right? Everyone, what to do with this particular thing now? Let open one error record. You have 4 options to perform. Type is error. On which table it is giving me error? It is giving me the sys portal page error. It is giving me error on that particular page. Okay, no problem. What is saying? Could not find the record in this portal for the column this page reference. Maybe I make a change in my portal, or she created something new in the portal which page does not exist here. I'm not sure that what she done in the background, so need to be see or check. Okay. Now what 4 action you can do here? If okay, let's take example. Let's take example of Arun. Let's take example of Arun. Or let's take example of Vinuj, because his kids are little elder now. Okay. Suppose Vinuj serve Maggie to their kids. Okay. Somehow his son or daughter not able to pick it up, and that bowl fall into the ground. Now Vinuj had majorly 2 options. Number 1, as a parent, he will scold to the kid. Okay. Another option, he will say, let's not worry, let me cook you fresh or again. Okay. Or maybe third option, let's collect this. Maybe. If I change little bit in the example, remember when the kids are little small now, they did not eat the things very quickly. You have to tell them the story. Like suppose Vinuj or his wife make a Maggie. His son want to eat that Maggie, but doing some excuses. Then Vinuj play a game. Okay, let's find where's the peas, where's the carrot, where's the spinach, and he find out and give it to Even though there's a no spinach, no piece, but he do some kind of a play so that his son eat the Maggie. Now, if I come here, same 4 options here. What service now say? Find the missing record. What is missing? If I click on this, let me open another window. It's saying find the missing record. Go into the previous one and find what is missing here, which is not migrated. Okay, so she created something like this new catalog, all the things. So this is the missing boss. Okay, now if this is the missing, it means either this is not added into the, what I can say, variable or in the update set. Maybe the reason can be something because she created a new page, portal page. Wow, you created a new portal page, Aishwarya. That's fine. Okay, that is the first point she can do. Second, find the missing update. Open it. No record found. It means this particular record which we're looking for, it is not available in my system. It means it is not in the source system as well. I'm sure it's checked in the source system. Let me open in another window. Maybe it's checking and giving me here only. Okay, this thing. Okay. Now the third option. Accept the remote update and skip the remote update. Remember, we don't say let's not scold the kid. Okay, don't worry, I'll make it for you another Maggie. That is, accept the same manner it is becoming like this. If you accept, it means error still exists in the system. This functionality will not work. Or skip the remote update. It means don't commit this change in my system, because maybe if I commit this change, if I accept, maybe it can impact my other catalog item as well. So being a developer, you have to think, should I accept it or should I skip it? You are invited for a party. You have an exam on the next day. Now you have to decide, go to the party or skip the party. If you skip the party, there's no harm for you because you can continue study. If you accept the party, it can impact your studies as well. Okay, now what I will do, I'll skip this because I don't want to be hamper Tanvi's instance. This option which we just discussed, these 4 points, this we will reuse again when we go for the update or upgrade part. Okay, so now we have to take a decision on these all catalog items, what to do. So let me do this thing. Select and click here. Skip. By skipping, maybe few of the work will work for things work for Aishwarya or not. Okay, now let's go back. We have to do these things for everyone. All these things. Okay, let me take my batch. This one. $221 remaining. Let's see. See how many these are things. 535 insert, 48 update, 91 delete, 31 collisions, 705. 31 collision means here I'm facing some problem, and these are my errors. Because in my instance, I have a lot of new changes done for my practice as well. A lot of new this thing I can say plugins I installed which is not available in Tanvi's instance. So that's fine. So I can skip that part. Skip remote. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back. Okay, so these things we have to do it one by one. Oh, okay. Now what I can do, suppose I done the all changes. I done all corrections, everything I done. Now I want to commit it. Let me open this. And let me run again. Is any other error exist or not? To preview, because now what I can say, I accepted or skip the remote changes now. So let me do a checking here. See, it's showing previewing. Tanvi, maybe your instance will be no use now. You can reset your instance if required. Okay. But nothing to be worried. Let's see what happened. Everything is going well now, because few of the changes which are in my instance, in my update set are be available for your instance as well. So once I corrected mine, it will be done in your as well. Good, it's previewing. Interesting, na? यार yes no भी नहीं बोलते.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now I'm getting some errors. Done preview batch fix preview errors to commit. Okay, अभी भी error है क्या कुछ? Let's see what errors are there. Oh, I did not commit it for everything, yeah. We need to do it for everyone. Can I not bring the count more? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's click here. And open the new window. Show 100. Okay, which are already skipped. Let me filter out so that I can quickly update. Go here, click and skip remote update. Click and skip. Okay, now let me go here and run preview again. There's a lot of issues are there, so don't worry. These are the very common things. Good, see, it's doing for everyone. Nice. In the meantime, anyone has any other question? Yes, guys, any other doubt, any question, any clarification required?
Sir, exact purpose of doing this update set movement?
To bring your code or the configuration or the customization from the dev instance to the next instance. How you will shift yourself from the old house to the new house. If your tenant or the landlord say, okay, please leave it or clean my house and go out, right? So that is the thing. I am in my instance, that is suppose that is the dev instance, and now I am in the Tanvi instance, that is my production instance. How many errors are left now? Why 124 will be there again? What is this? Child update set. Let me try to show all previous record visualize batch. Let go here now quickly. Let's see. Tanvi batch 4 in progress. अच्छा तो
नहीं सर
आपका
वो मैंने बनाया
हाँ
है।
हाँ right I got that retrieve update set to commit. Okay, let's do this now. Okay, let's take example that we done all the errors. It's not be giving me the option to commit now. But why these are the errors? I'm not able to understand. Preview problems on batch. Done that part, right? Any action required on this? $238. Oh goodness. Skip. There. 138. Okay, let do this. Maybe this is the problem here. Open. Show 100 good. Let skipped out to be removed. That is the, I can say, a little bit drawback of the batch update. Okay, if it is a single one, then you can easily do that. But I done in the batch format, so I need to be put little more time as well. Left. Okay. Let me filter out these as well. Skip collision. Okay, what do you mean by the skip collision? Anyone has any idea? Skip collision means suppose there is a field available in Tanvi instance. Okay. In the incident table, there is a field called the description. It is a text type. I make some changes in my instance and put some more validations on the top of that, which is conflicting in the Tanvi's instance now. That is called the collision. Means either you need to be accept the collision, either you need to be skip collision. So what we did as of now, as a practice, we skip it. But in a practical life, don't skip the collision, because if you skip the collision, maybe it can impact anyone else code as well. So in this case, you have to be checked with the respective developer. Okay, what change you done in this particular table? I done these changes in my particular table in the particular field, and then collectively you take a decision and proceed further on that front. Let's see what will go now. Looks everything is fine now. Again error. Okay. 5 collisions. Okay. Preview Aishwarya. Still, I guess it is not allowing me to do one by one. Let's do one thing. There's a retrieve update set, right? Whose was very much fine? Arun, where is your? Let me try to that only. Arun, which is your this name?
Arun only, but no, I'm not sure like why it is not picked up here.
I'm sure you did some logic in the background.
No, nothing.
Deleted 4. Customer update set. I'm not sure this will allow me to do or not. Requested 4. There's no error.
So one question which was coming to my mind was,
Yes.
Atul, is like, let's say right now we are moving instance from your account to Tanvi's, right? Now,
Right.
let's say you are a manager and you're asking all of us 10 people, right, to share their instance. Then this will be the same process for all the 10 people, right?
Right. Everybody will do this thing.
Okay, then how will you manage? I mean to say the update sets like at your way. I mean for the final testing or for the further process from your side.
So in this case, what I will do, I'll make a bunch like this, and I will
Right.
bring them in the next instance. Before committing, I will see. Till now we did not commit the changes. If you go here and open dev and click LNG,
Right.
it will not work for you. But if you put SP, it will work for you, because till now we did not commit the changes. Once you commit, only then we are able to see those changes. So we are still saying, okay, error, where is the error? What is the error? Why there is the error? So we'll be able to try to find out that. And this is the thing which we're doing now. Let me open Tanvi's update set. Let's do in the vice versa perspective. Tanvi, what is your in update set? Okay, CSV navigate. Because in this case, or what we can do, let's go back to our instance here and reopen it quickly. I'll show you that why I'm reopening it, because I want to show you the exact changes here. Okay. And now let me click on this. I want to remove everyone update set from my update set now, so that I can show the changes. Okay, it is good. Let me do edit part quickly. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll remove everyone changes from here. Okay, so that I can commit my update set. Click save. So there's a no parent and child relationship now, if you see here. Correct? No parent and child. Now I'll save this. Whose update set was working very fine? Or let's close this. Complete. Save. Go here. Update source. Open this. And now click on the retrieve update set. Only one update set will become now. Only mine. Are why it's taking everyone now? There's no relationship, buddy. Let's see. Should not be okay, it will give me the picture that whose update set is working fine. So I'll bring those update set just to show you the changes in this instance. This is one of the interesting topics I always like to be discussed, because something similar we will do when we go for the upgrade or the update of our system. Okay, let it be done. Oh, again errors, yeah. But why it's be taking like this? I don't want anyone other's update set. Now it's fine. Good. Where is mine? This one. Okay. Now there's a no batch. 132 problem address 0 skip 0 132 remaining. Where is the 132? Yeah. This one. Let open in the new window. And let's skip everything now. Good. Skip. Go to the next 32. Everything I'm skipping now. All done, right? Let's go here and refresh this list quickly. Good. All problems has been gone because I skipped everything. Let me click on the run. Preview again. Good. Oh, again errors. Still no 124. What? I'm sure this is due to this plugins which I done, but it is not available in year one. Again 132. Yeah, why? Okay. Anyone else whose update set was correctly fine? Anyone remember whose update set was fine?
Prashant got
Prashant. All right, this one. 0 0 0. That's fine. Okay. No, he also has 6 errors. Okay, 6 is fine, no problem. Let's skip it. Okay, now it's fine. Now you can see all the problems has been closed here, and I'm getting the commit part. Let me commit here. Commit means now I'm saying yes, these changes can be saved in Tanvi instance and available for the users. Prashant.
Yes, boss.
Tell me what changes you've done. Let's see. Okay, first of all, let's go here. Any changes you done on the catalog item, catalog part? Catalog. Let's see what changes is been done here. Browse by categories. 9. Your changes are not there because that departmental service was yours or someone else. It is already built up. Okay, let's go here. Let's see what else he done. Access control you. Okay, he created a table. U underscore Prashant batch 4. Let's see here. See, his changes are there now. If you open this module, you can see what he done in the my instance. Okay, now if I show the same thing, Prashant batch 4, let's go here and search. This one. Or maybe this one. Yeah, this one or this one. Yes. So this way we are be updating or we are be bringing the one person code to the another instance. All clear till this point? Everyone. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have a question. I think you guys will ask a question. Arun, Vinod, especially from I expected from you this point. Atul, suppose after commit, the changes are not working properly. What to do? You shifted in a house and your landlord is troubling you again and again. What to do? Tell me, Arun, what to do now?
First, make a peace with the previous one. I mean to say, so fix the code at the PDI level.
Yes, yes, but you cannot fix the code in the Tanvi's instance now because that is a production. You have to fix in your own instance. That is the one point. What else? That code fixing will take 5 days. What to do now?
Roll back.
Yes, rollback. So this option is available in my update set as well. What is the rollback means here specifically for you guys, Tanvi, Dhanashi, Harsha? Rollback means that some changes which you commit, it is not working as expected, and you want to take it back from an instance so that it should not be visible to the customer. Now go to update set. Local update set. Open Prashant update set. Click on the backout. But this is not a good practice to back out. Always preferably make a change and bring the new update set and commit the changes. Click on the backout. If you want to back out, ServiceNow give you a pop-up. The backout process can undo a large amount of work and cannot be undone. It is not like Control Z again Control Z. No. If you done the backout, you cannot bring the changes again unless you have to be commit the update set once again. The backout process will validate the backout target for each update set. Check the potential problem. Maybe you are backing out one code which impacting 100 of places. It will give you pop-up. You cannot do the backout, or it's not recommended. If no problem are found, back out this update set, including all the update set belong to it. So if I back out my parent update set, then all your changes will be backed out as well. I say yes, proceed with the backout. It is easy. This time it is backing out, not committing up. See, oh my God, melodies, good. Okay, dropping table. This table we saw here has been dropped out. See all the records, it's been dropping here. Close. Now go here. Let me search like this. Refresh this page. And now search for the Prashant. See, there's no table for Prashant. This is the way that we take care of our update sets. Clear? Anyone has any doubt, any question, any clarification required? Tell me. Yes, guys. Anyone has any doubt, any question, any clarification on that part? Arun, Aishwarya, Dhanashi, Prashant.
So how often this rollback happens? I mean, according to you, because I mean you have so much experience in
Okay.
this. So
if you are doing a rollback very frequently, you are not a good developer. Simple. Rollback is rollback is not a bad, but if you're doing the more rollback, it means your code is not perfect, is not tested properly in the dev instance.
okay.
Okay, there is a thing. So This is the overall process that we can follow to bring the data, not data, sorry, again, not data, bring the configuration changes or customization changes in the this way. We can, I'll show you one more thing. There's another way also to move your data. Let's take example. Let's go to the user table. Okay. And click on this. Suppose you have a question, Atul, configuration is fine, but what about the data? Shall I create the all users record again in the Tanvi instance? No. You can create, but there's a things has been changed. I'll tell you one thing important here, very important point which you need to be remember. Okay, let me go here. Okay. Can I make a change in created by for all? But I can show you. It should give me error, security error. Yes, correct. Okay. Now, when we bring the data, now I'm specifically talking about the data. No configuration, no customization. Suppose I want to create this Aditi record in Tanvi instance. Perfectly fine, Atul. You can do. No problem. But I'm avoiding to create Tanvi account manually in the another instance. Just 1 minute, guys. Guys, give me 1 minute. Okay. So I can do that part by creating the manually as well. But still I'm avoiding it. Let's take example. Okay. Go to Tanvi's here. User admin. Okay, Tanvi created my account, right? Let go here and search for Atul. Okay, and let's go here and search for. Okay, let me correct this Atul G to Atul only. Okay, so that it's look similar to you. Now tell me, what is the difference between this Atul and this Atul record? And don't tell me Atul, this value is missing, this value is missing. No, I'm not interested. I'm interested in the logical answer now. Atul username in Atul PDI. Atul username in. Question number 1. Are these two records are same or two different records? Question number 2. If they're different, what is the difference? Question number 3. If they are common or they are the same, What is the commonality in between these two records? Aishwarya, quickly, we have only few minutes left.
They are different records.
Why? What is the difference?
Because one is a production data and the other one is
Leave it about the production. Both are the PDIs. What is the difference? And how you can say it is a different? Arun, these are the two different user or the records or one user record?
These are both are different actually.
What is the difference?
One is at your PDI level, whereas the other one is then we have the different records. That record will be updated once you migrate.
Let me do one thing. You will not agree with me like this. Let's go export XML. Okay, I'll tell you. Wait. Okay, let's go here and go here and go here. Click here, import. Not from this side. Import from XML. Import XML. Choose. It should not give an error if I am in the correct place. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me create a user ID for this account because it is giving me the duplicate error. Okay, then I'll ask you. Import XML, choose and upload it. Now tell me, these two are the same record or the different records? In the same instance.
Different records. One is created by this one, Learn Guru. Another one is admin.
What other difference? I'm not interested in these cosmetic changes now. I'm interested.
Both have different system IDs.
How you can say both are the different system IDs? And why this point trigger in your mind?
So you told in one lecture similar kind of thing. So that thought popped in my mind actually.
Perfect answer. That is the difference. These two have the two different sys IDs. When I say these things, these two are the two different IDs. Suppose this Atul raise a question or raise an incident, and you are checking this Atul in the system. So this is the recommendation by ServiceNow. Whenever you bring your data in the dev instance, always move your data via XML only, so that the consistency should be maintained in all the environments. That is your sysid. You created a table, right? I can create a table, the same table in Tanvi's instance again. Bilkul same, similar. Everything should be similar. Type, name, extension, all the things are similar. You cannot tell me that what is correct or which is the right or which is wrong. If you write your code on the table X, which exists in dev in my instance, and the same table I created in the Y instance as well, your code will not work. You think no, table name is same, but my dear friends, sysid is different. Let me open this. Atul G sys ID is this. Atul sys ID is this. Now what I will do, let me export this as XML. And go in the Tanvi instance. Go here. I will tell you that why I'm doing all these things. Go here, import XML. 014, okay. This one. Open. Upload. See. Now I'll go here. Where's Atul Ji? This one. Let me make a change here. Business phone number. Save it. Now, if you want to make a changes of one business phone in Tanvi instance, will you go and open that part? Suppose I have 100 of users whose phone number has been changed now. What you will do? You need to download that in the XML again. This one. Go here. Import XML. Open this. Click. Upload. Why did not give me error now? Tell me why it did not give me error now. Earlier it gave me error here. Validation error, something like. Why there is no error in this instance? Because it's checked the sys ID. Okay, this sys ID already exists. It means my system consider that okay, this is my record only. I can take it update from the XML now. And if you open this Atul Ji now, see the phone number has been added here. Clear hua? Everyone? Any doubt, any question?
Atul, ये like no, how it has accepted it, जरा वो वाला बताइए.
Because now in Tanvi instance, sys ID is same. When I imported from the XML, it's check, okay, which sys ID is this? Oh, this is the same sys ID which is already exists in my system. Let me go and update the record.
So initially it was different. This is ID.
Yes. See, when we move our data here, when I bring from Tanvi instance to my instance, you can see this is a sys ID and this is a sys ID. When I take this data from my instance to Tanvi instance, now it give another sys ID to me, this one, and it say okay, now it's fine for me. I can consider this is a my in the my instance. XMLs are basic. Just 1 minute. XMLs are basically used when you create some drop-down values, some user data, and you want that this data should be consistent in all my instances. Then we use the XML-based imports. That is the main fundamental. Mainly we use to move the data from one. I'm talking about the data. I'm not talking about the configuration, the customization. I'm talking about the data. When you want to move your data, then you can use the XML things. Yes, Manoj, you can put your question.
Okay. Okay, but this sys ID is a system generated. So
yes.
So how you changed it and made it to the same?
I did not change. I did not change. I'm not sure that why it was showing like this. Atul G is there. Atul G is there. It's showing me two different ones, 014D. And no, this is fine. Sorry, 014D. This is fine. Okay, I'm picking up the wrong one here. See, the sys ID is same here. 014D, 014D. That is the thing, that your sys ID will be consistent in your all environments, because when we write our code, when we write our logics, we use a sys ID. I want this ticket should be assigned to group XYZ. Tomorrow, if you change the name of the group XYZ to ABC, but sys ID will be same, so that my system can understand. Right? You put variable A, but you know that actual variable A is something different. This variable is something different for me. That is the purpose of this XML import and updates. Yes, doubt. Sorry, yes, guys, any doubt, any question?
So, also here, this was the role about the XML and the sys ID, right? So, whereas in the our probably two days ago, right, when we spoke about the Covens, right? So that is about the updating data in the information inside itself, right? Not like this, because
No.
here we are moving the data. Then
see, wait. See, what we did earlier was the transform map.
right, that's enough.
Okay.
Yes.
What we did with the transform map, we bring from Excel to Dev, right?
Right.
Now with the import XML, what we did, we move the same data from Dev to test. It is never ever recommended that you have the multiple Excel upload in the Dev separately, test separately, production separately. ServiceNow always says that your data should be inserted from the Dev only, from Dev to test to production. It should go by this manner. If I just make little easy for you to understand. Now you can understand it is. From Excel to Dev, we use the transform map. From Dev to test, we use the import XML. So core set testing has been done here only. It has no role here now. No role.
Right.
Nothing.
Right.
Okay. So that is the thing. Okay, so no other doubt, question? Okay, perfect. So let me stop the recording here, guys, quickly.